Well, flooding, rock slides, and more are forcing the closure of several roads across the state. Tonight in El Dorado County, Latrobe Road is closed because of flooding. The county says because of all the water, there's a risk the road could collapse. So it's closed from Cawthron Road to Sunridge Meadows. 8 Mile Road in Stockton is closed as well in both directions right now. This is from Trinity Parkway west to McColumney Circle. And again, that's because of flooding. Flooding is also closed Highway 104. This is around Clay Station in the Herald area. Caltrans says there is no estimated time of reopening the road. The storm is leaving behind a muddy mess across the state.
Yeah, show what's happening down in SoCal. You've seen the pictures and look at all that mud. This is Ventura. River just rushing there, taking down one fence with it. One woman says she had to rescue her own friend from the rushing waters last weekend.
Last weekend that we were trying to cross the creek, which now looks like a river, but we were trying to cross the creek down by the beach, and she must have fallen. She was behind me, and then she fell, and then she was like starting to sweep right by me, and I grabbed her arm and pulled her out. Thankfully, it almost took me down, but I'm pretty strong, so I was able to grab her and get her out.
The Ventura County Sheriff's Office had to evacuate about 70 people, some by helicopter, because mud damaged one big road.